here, and that's the bulb. So I will go up there and take it down first lah. You definitely need this ladder in the house. So mine is here, it's a 6-step ladder. You want to ask the shop, right, whether you can stand up here or not. Because the ladder, they only allow you to stand up here. And this ladder here that I have doesn't allow you to stand here. It's not advisable, so I have to stand up here and stretch both of my legs this side. But it's already high enough to reach a lot of places, to change bulb, to paint the ceiling if you want, and also to wash the ceiling. But ceiling now you can use the brush and then just brush it, okay? But just take note lah, when you go to buy a ladder, there's a few types. The more steps it is, the more expensive lah. This is the 6-step one, is a more common one for household use. Okay, so this is the bulb, it's a screw-on bulb. I think anywhere else you can get lah. Here's a Mr. DIY thing here. So later you can go to Mr. DIY and find the same bulb and replace. Went to Mr. DIY, don't have the size that I wanted, so this is what I got from another hardware shop. It's a 60 watt one, so that it will be bright. If you take a lower watts, it will be a bit dim, so I wanted a 60 watt one for the door. So let's see whether this can work and replace it. I replace it and see whether it can work or not. Alright. It works! It works! Okay, this is one of the few times I actually do things on my own and not really handy. But, well, there's a start for everything, right? So replace the light. Sometimes, this one, you have to see this light properly, because this one, the glass bowl can't be taken out. I tried just now, it's very hard to take out and put back. So next time if you put a light, right, make sure you get something that is easy to replace the bulb in case the bulb bursts. This one, my hands are quite big, so I want to go in this hole, so it's a bit of a struggle. So you might want to consider getting a bigger light with these bigger holes so that hand can go in if you have hands like mine, or maybe something that's easy to replace. Okay, like one down canister down light and that. Okay, next work. This one done.